welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get free mythical epics in Prodigy using teacher membership and how to get teacher membership. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe. We are super close to 1,000 subscribers. We are about 36 subscribers away at the time of recording this, so please subscribe. So the first thing that you are going to have to do this is get a teacher account. All you're going to have to do is just search up teacher account Prodigy, and then you can make a teacher account. Just go teachers and then logins or teachers, earn more, and then you can sign up and stuff. So once you have done that, then you will be sent here and you will have a few tasks to complete. Like, you'll have to do a few steps, but it's pretty easy to do it. You just have to follow the directions that'll be here, and once you can do that, then everything else opens up. Once you've done that, you're going to have to wait a few days, and then this button up here will pop up. It won't pop up if you immediately try and do it, but it will pop up after a few days. So what you'd want to do is press share Prodigy, and then you want to invite your friends by email. So here you would need a second email. It isn't that hard to make a second one. So you can invite your friends, send the invite, and then they will have to do a few tasks. Sorry if I start to get out of breath. This is very hard to talk in one go. So once you will get an email on your second email where you can register. Also, don't email this. I won't respond. So once you have registered, you have to add a class on the second account, and then you have to play on that account, and then you will have to wait till the next day, and it'll say claim membership, and you can claim it, put it on your main account or whatever account you want to use, and then you have membership. So then you can get everything that a member has. So mythical epics, the next member box. Sorry, it is very hard to talk in one take. So next member box will be this cloud, which I put in a leaked video, or in a leaked items video. Chicken, I don't remember what these are called, and then a squally morph. So yeah, that's going to end up the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.